Bienvenidos al canal de S1000RR. Hopefully you guys are doing great. How did you guys like the new intro? Doing an intro is very tedious, and I forgot all about that because the first intro I had before, I did that a long time ago when I still had the 2020 R1. I figured, you know what, it's time for a change. The video's a little outdated, so let's create something a little simpler. But yeah, I know even the ride in there, the Luna was still black, but you know what, I love that look as well. So I said, you know what, I could keep some of the transitions so people can see what she used to look like. So I thought it came out pretty well, in my opinion. I ran it through a few people and they were like, yo, I love it. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna keep it for a while. So you guys let me know what you guys think of the new intro. Anyways, welcome to the channel, S1000RR family. Hopefully you guys are all doing amazing. I am headed to work. It is a gorgeous day here in Florida. A little bit of an update. The house is finally sold, I guess. I still haven't received the money, but the process is almost there. It's almost done. We're almost finished with that. Thank goodness. Now is figuring out my living situation between the 5 months. So let's see. I don't know what's gonna happen. A little bit of a story I gotta tell you guys. So a guy on the one of the guys that followed the channel told me he has an exhaust. The SC project that originally came here, hopefully I have a picture. I'll throw it up in here. But he sent me, we did a trade, an even trade. So I was going to surprise you guys, you know, of course, I'm addicted to the brand. Oh, here it is. So this is the exhaust. So a little bit of a story. So apparently I was going to slap this bad boy in here. However, the problem that I had when I took this off, this, when it lines up here, this part does not line up there. If you look, you can kind of see it. Like once it's lined up there, look how far. So the headers start around here, or somewhere in the middle, actually here. And it's very far. So the issue I was running into is that whenever I would put it all the way in, this part is too far inwards. So it would be somewhere all the way back here in this part. And if I line this part up so this part wouldn't reach here, I could do a modification and get like a link pipe. Let me know in the comments below, how can I work this in? I don't want to do, I'm thinking like a link pipe to make it reach. I'm thinking that because I kind of want to try it out. Like I'm very curious to see what this thing will sound like. I love that exhaust, but I want to try something. I just do, because I just know me. So I guess we'll leave this in here for now until we figure something out. That is the story for that. So please comment below and let me know what kind of fix I can do to this to get it going. Let me know in the comments below what can fix this. I'm thinking a link pipe. I think that is the best fix, the cleanest look. And I can also get I think they sell a heat shield for that, where I can cover up that link between the two. But absolutely, this looks gorgeous. I mean, I love it. Let's start up with the cold start. Whew. She sounds so good, man. Whee! I love it. I love it. So yeah, that's the story currently. But what do you guys think of the new look? I mean, you guys saw my first ride, so now you're watching me. She's a little bit dirty because that was the first ride I did, and I don't have anything in the house, unfortunately, because of my that whole other situation that happened. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think? Yeah, looks good. Looks fantastic. Oh, she looks so wonderful. Look at this. That is so badass. Those lights. She just looks aggressive. Ooh. Yes. Amazing. So I'm headed to work. As per usual, I'm probably late. I do need gas. I absolutely needed this. I haven't been riding because it's been raining so often, every single day. And today's the first day that it's not scorching hot. It's still warm, but it's not scorching hot. It's been in the upper 90s, but lately it's been feeling like it's 100+ degrees. Like, it's hot for no, just hot for no reason. That's a nice Tundra. Woo. Oh man, I'm already sweating. Damn it. Already sweating. All right, so we can gas up really quickly. Once I get this gas going, we're gonna head out. Have you guys check out the new intro. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the new intro. As far as everything else, the house is supposed to be sold by June 30th. What is today? Today's Tuesday, June 21st. Next week, supposed to be signing the paperwork to sell the house, and that process is supposed to be done. So I get that going. Yeah, that's basically it. I've been doing some uploads here and there, kind of randomly, with especially for bike night on AS Cafe, because that's our usual hangout spot. I think this Thursday coming up, it's going to be a different spot. I think we're going to switch it up a bit. So we shall see. Man, it's hot. I am thirsty too. I didn't drink enough water this morning. What is it with these red pickup trucks? They look nice, but everything's red now. Whew. Okay, we can't find neutral now. neutral, let's go. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is the quick update I wanted to give you guys. Let you guys know that yeah, your boy's making some moves. It's been a slow process, but it's a process. It's quicker. And when I got this house, I had to wait some time. Why did I just do that? I went to go use the quick shifter and I hit the clutch at the same time and caused it. Oh man, it's crazy. But yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is my story currently. Yeah, trying to get my living situation right. Hold on, I want to make sure that. Okay. Last time I did a recording, not long ago, my audio was off because my microphone was disconnected from the GoPro, and I didn't realize it. It was just halfway out. I went to go edit the footage, realized that none of the audio was caught. I want to give thanks to you guys for being amazing. I'm almost at the 900 subscriber mark, and it's slowly creeping up there. It's been, I tell you, it's been a blessing. You guys have been amazing. I love doing what I do. I just do this for sheer love and experience, and it started off as the experience to motovlog, and then realized this is great. You know, I have my motorcycle community, and I also have you guys outside, you know, from all over the country. You know, I have people reaching out to me from Mexico, Puerto Rico, from where I'm from, everywhere in the United States. People from Italy. I mean, it's been great to see people from different parts of the world. It's amazing. The motorcycle community is just, in my opinion, is you know, it's huge. It's massive. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the footage right here, you guys. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you guys for being there and be a part of the Sasso Moto family. You guys have an amazing and beautiful day. Peace.